folks, it is time for science, and this is our last screencast for the entire year. So, I'm going to talk through what this last week is going to look like from Monday to Wednesday in this one video here. A very straightforward week. I want to wrap up our semester and be done. Let's not make this more complicated than it needs to be. So, for Monday, really simple thing. You're just going to watch a video and respond with one of these three prompts. You do not have to respond to all three, just one is fine. As well, you'll be doing an attendance question as usual. This one's our last one because on Wednesday, what you'll be doing is taking a survey, so I'll still get to kind of get your opinions on stuff, get a gauge for how you're doing, how you're feeling with that survey. And then as well, we'll also be having a class meeting during Google Hangouts during our class times. And that's our last day. Survey shouldn't take but a few minutes. And then the Hangout just gives us a chance to kind of say goodbye. It's like the first day back when we got to see each other for the first time in a couple weeks. But instead, we get to kind of see all of our classmates for the last time and wrap up the year. So let's take a look at what this looks like on Schoology. Obviously, we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Here's our week of May 18th, and it's a little bit lighter than it has been in previous weeks. We have our attendance question here. Remember to take that by 4 p.m. And then the assignment for Monday, watch the video and leave a comment. And you are just going to leave the comment right here, where it says post a comment. So you will post your response here. And that's all you have to do in order to be done with that assignment. For Wednesday, you'll hop onto this assignment, click on the end of your, and in this survey that we have here, you'll just answer a few questions. First section is kind of agree, disagree type questions, as well as just some comments and general feedback that can help me make the class better in future years. Make sure to click the submit, and remember that this is all anonymous. You can leave your name if you want to, but you absolutely do not have to make who you are known. So feel free to give your real and honest feedback. Last thing, of course, is the meet together as a class. This will be during our regular class time on Wednesday, which is going to be from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. So you can join the Hangouts meet by either clicking this link, copy-pasting this browser, or join by phone. Remember to use this first link right here in the announcement rather than office hours. That should be it. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out. If you have concerns about grades, this week is the week to take care of that, whether that's turning in missing assignments by May 19th, or if you are not happy with your grade during home learning, I am more than happy to address that with you, and we can set up a time that we can meet during office hours and discuss your grades. Other than that, that is our week. I hope to see you all in our last class hangouts, get a chance to say goodbye, and if not, I hope you have a wonderful summer. Stay safe, have fun, and hopefully I will see you around in the building next year. That's all for now, folks. We'll see you next time. Bye.